Xinchang County Sanyuan Bearing Company, Limited is a professional manufacturer of double-row aligning bearings, double-row spherical roller bearings, single-row spherical roller bearings and thrust spherical roller bearings, which has formed a certain production scale. In order to control product quality, the company started from the raw materials of forgings and successively set up the turning workshop of bearing rings and the grinding workshop of spherical rollers until the finished products were ground. The whole production process is strictly implemented in accordance with ISO 9001-2008 quality management system requirements. The company has complete testing and production equipment, advanced performance, and has a high-quality technical personnel, management personnel, and well-trained staff. At present, the production of bearings 1 million sets, 20 million spherical rollers, products sold throughout the country and exported to Europe, the United States, Southeast Asia, and other countries and regions. In the process of development, the company adheres to the purpose of pursuing integrity as the basis, ensuring quality as the premise, satisfying customers as the center, insisting on improvement as the goal, actively pioneering and forging ahead, and contributing more quality products and after-sales service to the society.